Halloween o'clock and I'm heading off to Quasar Brewery for a hoppy Halloween. I've got my little head injury going on there. I've got a hint of a throat issue here, a sore throat, haha. And I think I'm ready to go and have a drink. I don't know, I haven't entirely been feeling it all day. I wanted to do something a bit more spectacular with the makeup, so I bought a zip from my friend Shema. And I was going to do like, you know, that zipping open your face thing. But I couldn't get it to stick because there isn't really a party shop here. So there's nowhere to get something like latex glue. So I attempted to do it with, I think, is it PVA glue? You know, that wood glue that you have in school that peels off your fingers. I tried that and I spent about an hour lying on my back trying to get it to set and hairdryer and everything, and it just wouldn't take. So instead I've gone a bit more low-key. Yeah, so I think it'll do for today. So yeah, let's go. Meet Pukey the pumpkin. This is my little drinking buddy. There's a story behind Pukey. There was supposed to be a Pukey too, but alas, that was not to be. Okay guys, so I promised my friend Jessie a couple of carved pumpkins for the Halloween bash tomorrow. These are local Rwandan pumpkins, so they're green rather than orange. And I better get going because it's almost 8 o'clock. Ew, horrible Halloween surprise. I've just opened up this second one and it's completely off. It's like soup inside. It's got a horrible, horrible smell. Yeah, I think I'm going to have to throw that out and order another one. But definitely very Halloween. The first one's looking okay. Little did I remember that the following day was Umaganda. This is National Community Service Day, which happens on the last Saturday of every month. It meant that absolutely nothing was open in the morning, so I couldn't get another pumpkin in time to prepare it. Oh well, at least we had Pukey. Quasar Brewery, where the party was being held, is an all-women brewery, and the founder, Jessie, came as Ninkasi, the Mesopotamian goddess of beer, which was super cool as I'm all about ancient Mesopotamia in the novel I'm currently writing. There was also an awesome sweet stall selling trick-or-treat boxes, so I had to get one of those. Oh no, my trick-or-treat box did not survive the trip home. But what have we got? Oh, I love these. We've got some little coloured licorice and chewy donuts and eggs and some little chocolate balls as well, like Maltesers. Some M&Ms. This definitely did not travel well, but I'm going to enjoy eating this. The next day was a little bit wet, so I stayed indoors. And what do you do when the sky belly is rumbling but make pumpkin soup? First off, I put my bucket oven to good use, roasting pumpkin seeds. I adore these, and according to one shopkeeper, they're also good for your libido. All you need is a little olive oil, a little salt, and they're delicious. Okay, so with the flesh of the pumpkin, I have made pumpkin soup. And I'm just going to put the blender through that and add a bit of flour to thicken it up. But that is going to be yummy. So this is just the pumpkin flesh, half a butternut squash and a carrot that I had left over. Actually, I think it doesn't need any flour. I think it's thick enough as it is. So it's definitely waste not, want not when it comes to pumpkins. So I eat the seeds, I eat the flesh. Oh, that's really good, very buttery. Maybe needs a bit more black pepper, but also very good with akabanga. there anything more satisfying than a steaming bowl of soup?